This is a tiny little short piece about council tax. I don't know if you know, but councils now have full access to HMRC data. The Inland Revenue, the taxman. They now have full access to the data that the taxman has. They can tap in online and find out stuff, whereas before they'd had to contact them. You know, we're talking 3 or 4 years ago. They used to have to contact the HMRC and get data sent or get a letter of information or whatever. Now they can tap in online. The problem with that is that they think they need to keep on doing it. Okay, so I'll just explain my situation. Mid-December they sent me a letter saying we owed a certain amount based on HMRC data, pardon me. They said we owed a certain amount of council tax, which was different to what was decided before. Now that's based on some changes with HMRC and tax credits. Okay, that was mid-December last year, 2015. By the end of December, they'd sent us another letter saying, no, we owe you. Oh, that's right. The mid-December letter said they owed us 30 quid. Near enough. The end of December letter, that came 2 weeks later, slightly unexpectedly, said we owed them 15 or 20 quid. It's a different number. Now I've got another one. This is January the 9th. And it says amount payable by you £14.18. Right. So there it is. Right there. £14.18. But that's a different amount than what they said at the middle of December. I'd paid it all off, you see. Then mid-December I get a letter saying they owe us money. It's a negative number, which means they pay us money. So I just waited for the money to come in. It wasn't very much. By the end of December they sent a letter saying, no, you owe us money. Right. And it lays out the payments. Now they're laying out the payments for a different amount, a lesser amount. It was 20 odd quid before, now it's £14 we have to pay them in 2 instalments. I thought this was all done and dusted. They keep on sending different letters. How is this efficient? How is this making good use of money? My only thought is they must have nothing to do. If they've got nothing to do but send letters contradicting previous letters, what? In the space of 3 weeks we've had 3 letters. Well, what are you doing? Just because you're able to access HMRC information doesn't mean to say that by the minute. It reminds me of a not very bright child and a telephone ringing, and an adult shouts from the loft or from the basement or something, says, Timmy, is that the phone ringing? And Timmy goes, bring. He goes, yeah, it's ringing. No, it's not. Bring. It's ringing. No, it's not. You get what I mean? The phone's ringing. No, it's not. That's the phone ringing, you silly. Right? They need to wait until whatever it is the HMRC are mucking about with is done. I'm actually undergoing some kind of appeal process, but they need to wait till that's done. And until it's done, they can't get a settled answer. Why are they mucking about with 10 and 20 and 30 quid? Letters telling me that. They'll tell you these letters, if it suits them, they'll tell you these letters cost 50 quid a time. When it doesn't suit them, they just say it's hardly anything. Right? But it's somebody's time to cook it up and look at the data and print it out. Baloney. Stop doing it. Not efficient. Not a good way to spend money. This is what new technology does. People think they just have to use information. Knowledge is power, right? But it doesn't make you any smarter, that's for sure. Thanks for watching and listening.